Do you want to get SMS alerts for suspicious activity on your Remitly app or account? In this video, I will show you how to enable SMS notifications for security alerts on the Remitly app step by step, so you can quickly know if there is unusual activity on your account. These alerts help protect your account by notifying you when something unusual happens, such as login attempts or verification requests. Remitly may send text messages with security codes or alerts to help confirm your identity and prevent unauthorized access. So let's go to see how it works. You will go to Remitly app. You will find this sign of manage. Just wait a moment here. Like this, you will go to manage. You will find here this window on settings, so you will click on settings. In this page you will find profile activity, so you will tap here. As you see, they said you receive SMS notifications if we detect unusual activity in your profile, so you click here to enable this feature. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.